Today we're looking at Baywalk Residents, room number S1. This is the mini suite with the ocean view. Mini suite sea view. So right when you walk in here, you got your bathroom with your sink, your toilet, your shower, and then your tub. It's a pretty big bathroom right here. Got your hair dryer. Then when you walk over here, you have a big old living room area. And it also has this big refrigerator with it, a microwave, a sink, coffee pot, everything. Then you got your dining table right here, and then your couch and your little seat over there with your TV. Lots of room to put stuff. And you have your safe, of course. So that's a pretty big area right here. It's huge. And then you walk into the bedroom. You've got a big king size bed. The bed is kind of hard, but still. You have your plugs over here. Each room has its own Wi-Fi, so that's cool. You have all your switches right here, so if you want to control everything, all the lights and everything from your bed, you can. You can turn everything off and on right here. Then you have another TV and more area just to put stuff. A little desk spot. Another mirror right here. Another AC. And then the whole reason why I booked the room is this view right here. Check out this big old balcony right here on Pattaya Beach. So I actually stayed here last year. And yeah, I'm staying here again because it's awesome. I mean, you can't beat that view. And it's right in the middle of everything. And obviously if I'm staying here 2 years in a row, then it's great. It's a great location. Great staff, great everything. I mean, right below here you have the 7-Eleven, so you can just walk downstairs to the 7-Eleven. Then you got the beach right here. You have walking street about 500 yards to the left, and then you have shopping and everything else all in walking distance. And you also have motorbike rentals right downstairs, like right there, and anything else you could imagine, all at your fingertips. So I highly recommend this place. It cost $197 a night, but I wouldn't stay anywhere else. So yeah, Baywalk Hotel right here on Pattaya Beach in Thailand. This is January 2024. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.